Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a gift card on Netflix. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser as you cannot enter the code within the Netflix application. Then in the address bar, type in netflix.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Netflix, where if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page from which you can browse through the various different shows. Now tap on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Account. You will now be taken into the account menu. Now from the account page, underneath your membership and billing information, you will see the Redeem Gift Card or Promo Code option. Go ahead and click on this, and now you will be taken to the Redeem page. Now within the code or PIN box, you can enter your gift card code. Just type in your redeem code and then click on the redeem button, and now your gift card will be redeemed into your account and you will see the information updated within your membership and billing option. Once you do this process, you will also see the change within your Netflix application on your smartphone and other devices. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use a gift card from Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.